Here goes, everybody. Guess where I am? Any guesses where? Huh? Here's a special surprise because I love Mother Nature. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue horn moon? Or ask the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of these mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come round the hidden pine trails of this forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling all these riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and these rivers are my brothers. The heron and the otters are my friends. And we are all in this world together, in a circle, in a spirit that never ends. How high does a spirit grass grow if you cut it down? And you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue horn moon, or whether we are white, have poppered skin. Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you own the earth until, and you can still own earth, but still you must paint with all the colors of the wind. My favorite Disney movie of all time, 21 years ago, 6th grade, 1996. You're welcome. Thank you. God bless America.